learners! Welcome to Homeschooling VNZ. Sasagutin naman tayo ng isang katanungan from our comment section. Ang question niya ay, paano daw ba ang graduation ng mga homeschoolers? Okay, so ang mga homeschoolers meron naman graduation talaga. But before we clarify that, i-clarify muna natin yung dalawang kategorya ng mga homeschooler. Dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong independent homeschooler at meron tayong homeschoolers na enroll sa isang homeschool provider. Ano ba ang difference? Basically, ang independent homeschooler ay hindi naka-enroll sa kahit anong DepEd accredited homeschool provider at yung isa namang homeschooler ay naka-enroll sa DepEd accredited homeschool provider. Ayan. So, ang mga homeschool providers, nagpa-follow sila usually ng calendar ng DepEd. And around this season, April-May, ay graduation na rin ng mga bata. Sa mga naka-enroll sa mga homeschool provider, meron mga graduation rights ang mga homeschool providers. Ngayon, it really depends kung saan po kayo naka-enroll. In our case, with Peñal, na-experience namin ang on-site or yung aakyat sa stage ng graduation at na-experience rin namin yung virtual graduation. Maganda yung opportunity na makaakyat ng stage ang bata. Especially kung malapit lang naman kayo dun sa venue ng graduation. And for other homeschoolers na medyo malayo or hindi akma yung schedule nila, you can opt for a virtual homeschool graduation for your child. Ayan. Sa mga hindi naman naka-enroll na tulad ng mga independent homeschoolers, you can also have your own graduation at home. For our family, we printed certificates for the kids na hindi pa sila naka-enroll sa homeschool provider. And we also have our end of school year activities sa bahay. Yung simpleng salo-salo lamang or cake para sa mga bata. Para ma-enjoy naman nila ang accomplishment nila for that school year. So there, that is our short question and answer pagdating sa graduation. If you have other questions on homeschooling, please comment them down sa comment section and we will try to answer them in our next videos. Again, thank you for watching and happy homeschooling! Bye-bye!